Thank you for your interest in Rogue Research and our products for non-invasive brain stimulation. We offer the BrainSight Neuronavigation System for transcranial magnetic stimulation and focused ultrasound placement. We also are releasing our ELEVATETMS, controllable TMS device. We also offer functional near-infrared spectroscopy with BrainSight NIRS. BrainSight TMS is a complete neuronavigation system for TMS coil placement and focused ultrasound. It includes an integrated 2-channel EMG. We also offer a flexible subject chair and coil holder. The system supports multimodality acquisition, so we can easily combine TMS with EEG or TMS with FNIRS. The system also integrates with the TMS robot. The navigation software supports both subject-specific MRI or the ICBM 152 average brain template. More recently, we've released a version of BrainSight that interfaces with the SIB-NIBS modeling platform for more sophisticated and easy-to-use current modeling. When performing your TMS session, you can use our intuitive display, which includes a 3-dimensional representation of the coil, the subject's head, and the brain, or our easy-to-interpret bullseye display. Our integrated EMG allows us to record the EMG responses from the TMS pulses, as well as the position and orientation of the coil at the time of the pulse. This allows us to map the EMG data back to specific locations in the brain and generate these useful heat maps of EMG response. Our subject chair is very flexible. It works equally well in reclined or upright positions. It is height adjustable and rotates. It also includes unique TMS coil holder arms. These arms are very flexible and very intuitive in placing the coil over the head. The system also supports multimodality acquisitions. We can map the locations of EEG electrodes in common montages onto subject-specific MRI. You can then use the navigation system to ensure correct cap placement or record the locations of each electrode for export into text files that are commonly used in EEG analysis software. We are proud to release our new ELEVATETMS device, which is a controllable or CTMS device. It is the most powerful and flexible TMS device available. It gives us control over pulse parameters that are not available in other devices. These include the pulse width as well as the directionality. It supports also biphasic and monophasic pulses. It includes a modern user interface using a large touchscreen. We've also put some thought into the coil design with the removable handles that allows us to use different types of handles for different applications, as well as direct connection to our holder arms. BrainSight NIRS allows us to use functional near-infrared spectroscopy to record brain activity. Our design is very modular. We created these 8-channel modules, which include 8 high-sensitivity detectors, 4 dual or 6 dual wavelength sources, which can be also reconfigured to be 4 3-wavelength sources. We also include 4 proximity detectors. These detectors are designed specifically to record close to each source to measure the predominant physiology signal, which is thought to confound NIRS data. The NIRS enclosure can accommodate 4 modules, so we can configure a system to go from 8 to 32 high sensitivity detectors, 4 to 24 sources, or 4 to 16 proximity detectors. The low profile optodes can be easily combined with EEG to do combined EEG and NIRS acquisitions. The low profile and TMS compatibility also means that we can easily place the coil directly over the optodes with a small distance penalty. Our caps offer very flexible montages. We can create montages for very specific brain regions, and using the navigation software, easily visualize where in the brain a proposed montage will be recording from. Using the Navigator, we can then ensure the cap is correctly placed, as we would also for an EEG cap. We can also digitize the optode locations, and using the navigation system for analysis, we can then map the NIRS signal back to the region of the brain that we were recording from for better visualization and interpretation. More information can be found at www.rogue-research.com or send us an email at info@rogue-research.com. Thank you for your time.